Overton to bowl straight. Don't get too straight and don't get too full, because that massive gap in cover has got Steve Smith written all over it.
This is the thing about having
View by England.
Oh, there's a good shot there. Bit of width, and Smith says thank you. Going out there to play shots. Oh, lovely placement. Really worked that into the gap, did Steve Smith. Lovely shot to bring up his 50.
Oh, there's some timing. The gap's not big. Squeezed it through beautifully. Here's Broad again. And there goes Broad again. He is just being dispatched at the moment.
Oh, 4. So strong. He's strong everywhere, really.
Oh, stop it.
Reds zip through another gap with precision, with timing, and in that case. That was a gorgeous shot. Just a simple move into the ball.
What a shot that is. Babar Azam showing his class.
Handsome, really good looking shot, and it's 4. Oh, he's picked this up nicely. Goodness me, that's a good hit. Babar Azam with a flick of the wrists.
Oh, that is not just the shot of the night, the shot of the 2 games, and possibly the shot of the international summers. That's just a beautiful shot from Babar Azam. Just took a small step down the wicket. Beautifully straight bat. And the opening boundary of the morning. Economy rate. It's nicely driven through the covers, and now you'll see the benefit of this amazing outfield. Opening boundary for Babar Azam.
Eventually.
Shot.
Gorgeous drive from Babar Azam. He's played some lovely strokes through the... Gorgeous drive from Babar Azam. He's played some lovely strokes through the covers. This one down the ground again.
That's why he declared, I reckon, Howie. Super shot. Just a good player to watch, Babar Azam. He's a class.
That's through. There's a bit of width. Nicely timed from DIvilliar.
Brett might be feeling a bit for the bowlers. There's a good touch. Lovely old-fashioned back cut from maybe DIvilliars.
Well, that's whipped off his pads. Mitchell Stark's getting it to swing, but onto the wrong line.
Down the ground. That'll be all the way. That's beautifully hit. That's a mile back.
Off the pitch. Short ball. Slammed. Well in front of square. There's that reverse swing. Oh, how good is he at it? There's a man there now. Ed Cowan has come into the position a lot finer than he was previously. Slashed for 4. Brilliant shot, average ball. Style and power.
That's another beauty. Such control of the bat. When this guy's at his best, because his hands are so good, he plays any sport.